Hi guys, so we're still in 5.2 induced EMF, but now we're focusing in induced EMF in a rotating coil. So what does this mean by rotating coil? Means that the angle theta between A and B will be keep changing with the motion of the coil is omega. Okay, so first of all, we do how to derive the equation. So phi equal to BA cos theta. So we use this thing from chapter 8 last semester. So theta equal to omega over omega t. Then t is the time elapsed since theta equal to 0, means that there's no angle between A and B. Then because it's keep rotating, so there's changes in the angle. So differentiate cos omega t. Okay, because B and A are constant, the angle is keep changing. So therefore we get the equation induced EMF equal to MBA omega sine omega t, or MBA omega sine theta, given that theta is the angle between A and B, right? So as a reminder, SI unit for omega will be radian per second. If you are given in RPM, means that, for example, it's 1 RPM, let's say is omega angular velocity, 1 revolution per minute. We got to convert into radian per second, so 1 times 2 pi over 60. Okay, because 1 revolution, satu pusingan lengkap, is the angle covered is 2 pi over per minute, which is 60 seconds. So we're going to get berapa? Pi over 30 radian per second, right? Betul kan? Okay, so that is one reminder. Then for this case here, so we are able to calculate the maximum induced EMF. For maximum induced EMF, apa akan jadi? So NBA omega sine omega t, this term at the back here will be equal to 1. Okay, because the maximum value for sine, cos and time will be 1. Therefore, to calculate maximum induced EMF, kita guna NBA omega sahaja. There will be no sine omega t, right? Okay, so at what positions when the maximum induced EMF will produce is when theta is equal to 90 degree. So theta, as a reminder, theta is the angle between A and B. So is when our coil is parallel to the B. Why is that? Because B will be on to the right, so A will be normal to your surface. So therefore when maximum induced EMF produced is when plane or your coil is parallel to B, to make theta is equal to 90 degree. That's about it. Cool. So this is example for the rotating coil, induced EMF and rotating coil. So first of all, this is your questions. I'm not sure what number it is. So kita ada the coil of the generator has 50 loops. So basically the given number of loops is 50. Okay, cross-sectional area is 0.25 meter square. Calculate the maximum EMF. So bila maximum EMF, so you know NBA omega. There will be no sine omega t because the maximum induced EMF sine omega t going to equal to 1. Generated by this generator if it's spinning with the angular velocity given the omega is 4 radian per second in a 2 Tesla magnetic field. Okay, we need to find the omega. So we use this equation up here. So yes, omega equals to number of turns, magnetic field, area. Everything must be an SI unit. Okay, so means that if you're given the area in millimeter square, centimeter square, you got to convert into meter square. Then omega is 4, right? So if you press calculator correctly, on 100 volt. Cool. If you're asked to find the number of turns, okay, soalan kalau that number of turns, if you got for example 49.7, just if you answer in decimal point, tak perlu pundakan, okay?